Art it's everything. Art was therapy. It's like an emotion that you feel that I can't describe with words, but I can describe in color and shapes. Working with ink and wood grain, it bleeds. It's constantly moving. My name is Anna Alvarado, and I'm many things. I feel like as a creative being, you have to be able to flow. You have to be able to just move with life. And so when you're not feeling right and you can't come up with creative ideas, it is just awful. I think it was then that I realized that I needed a change of scenery. That's when I saw it. We're going fishing. My son, who was probably one of my biggest fans, was like, you really need to get out. He got two of my closest friends to come out. We tried something that we've never done. Yeah, I had no idea what in the world I was going to get myself into. Growing up as an East LA kid, I didn't connect with nature. Being in a new experience inspires me. It was actually a lot of fun. I let go, and I just let things flow. It turned out to be an incredible day. And now with learning something new, like learning to fish, I didn't realize how much satisfaction and inspiration it would bring. And now fishing is a new source of inspiration.